So, you're thinking about ditching Koho? Maybe you're tired of the fees, or perhaps you've found a better financial platform. Whatever the reason, you are not alone. Millions of people sign up for financial services every day, and just as many decide to move on. But how do you actually cancel your Koho account? It's not always as straightforward as you might think. Let's face it, dealing with customer service can be a real drag. You're put on hold, transferred to different departments, and often end up feeling like just another number. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. We'll cover everything from checking your balance to contacting Koho support, and I'll even share some tips on how to make the process as painless as possible. Before we dive in, let's talk about why you might want to cancel your Koho account. Is it the fees? Customer service? Or maybe you just found a better option? Understanding your reasons can help you decide the best approach. Now, let's get down to business. The first step is to check your balance. Make sure you've transferred any remaining funds to another account. You don't want to be stuck without access to your money. Once you've cleared your balance, it's time to contact Koho. There are typically two ways to do this, through their app or by contacting customer support. We'll explore both options in detail, including screenshots and step-by-step instructions. Remember, staying calm and polite can go a long way when dealing with customer service. But what if you encounter problems? Maybe you're getting the runaround or your account won't close. Don't worry, I'll share some tips on how to escalate the issue and what to do if you're still having trouble. We'll also discuss some common questions people have about closing their Koho account. Things like, what happens to my direct deposits? Will I be charged a fee? And how long does it take to close my account? Finally, we'll wrap up by discussing some alternatives to Koho. If you're looking for a new financial platform, I'll provide some options and highlight their key features. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to Koho, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding the process can save you time and frustration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.